In today's video, I will show you how you can use YouTube to make big money online, but without showing your face on camera or whatsoever. This is free to do, and all you need to do is follow the steps in this video and you'll be able to start making money right away. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so you heard that right. We will be using you today to get paid. Now, as some of you may know, in order to get monetized on YouTube, it requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Both of these, you can't be able to obtain that easily at first. And so, I will show you in this video a way to make money from your YouTube videos in the very beginning without needing monetization. And once you do get monetized, you'll be making a lot of money both from the video ads and the site I will show you later on. Now with that said, the type of videos you will want to create on YouTube are these workout videos on this channel called Workout Music. There are several reasons we want to make these videos in particular. First off, they will draw views. And of course, more views equals more money. The most popular video of this particular channel, guys, has had 28 million views so far. And it's not the only video with millions of views too. So as you can see, people love these motivational videos and they do draw in huge numbers. Anyways, the second reason we want to make these type of videos is because they're very easy to make. These videos essentially consist of an image and audio. That's it. For example, the most popular video I showed you a second ago with 28 million views consists of just a single image running through the entire video. And as you can see, it's insanely easy to find images like these online. And I will show you where you to get these high quality images and at the same time royalty free images. Where to exactly find the audio for your videos. Now, something worth noting is that the newer videos of this particular channel do include some videos at the beginning. But for this video, the clips only last for 8 minutes and the rest of the videos, once again, just a simple image. But if some of you want to include some clips in your YouTube videos, then no worries, I will also show you where to find them as well. Now, with all of that said, guys, if you come over to socialblade.com and search for the previously shown YouTube channel, you will see that this person is doing very well. The numbers are generally in between, but in this case, I don't think they are, guys, because if you come back over to this channel, you will see that all of these videos are very long. And this is important because the longer the video, the more ads you can fit inside the video. So as you can see, this can pay off big time for you most definitely. So despite the fact that it only has a small amount of videos, this person is still making loads of money. So this can actually turn into a passive income of sorts. And if you upload like 10 videos a month and you keep doing very well for yourself and make loads of money. Anyway, with that out of the way, let me now show you exactly how to make those types of videos. Let's start with the images and clips where you can obtain them. Well, I have several platforms for you. The first one is called Pixabay.com. The second one is called Pexels.com. These are both similar platforms, but what they both have in common is that by using them, you can find royalty-free images and also videos which you can download and use for free and without any copyright problems. So it's completely fine to use them for your YouTube videos, for example. And basically what you need to do is search for workout, fitness, gym, and so on. And I have searched for fitness on Pixels, as you can see. And there are thousands and thousands of images that not only can I use freely, but they also look absolutely amazing. This image I found, for example, is perfect for the types of videos I want to create. And when you find an image you think is fitting for your content, all you gotta do is just click on free download here to download it to your PC. You can also click on this little arrow next to the download button to choose the exact resolution you want to download the images as well. Anyways, Pexels and Pexabay are both fantastic in order to find royalty-free images for your videos. However, if you want to include clips in your videos like that previous channel does in the beginning, you most definitely can. You can see videos in the upper left corner. Now you just have to click on videos and then you will be able to find and download a video you want. You will do so in the same fashion as you did with the photo. With that being said, guys, I don't recommend downloading the videos because as you've seen, the most popular video from the channel did not even include a single clip with it. Just an example image, so I don't think using clips is really necessary. But I'll leave that decision up to you. With that done, and now that you have your own video, it's time for me to show you where you can find the audio, and the YouTube audio library is perfect for that purpose, guys. To access it, just click on your YouTube logo and then you want to select YouTube Studio right here, and on the next page on the left hand side you just need to scroll down and then click on audio library, and here you can find thousands upon thousands of songs and you can use them on YouTube without any copyright problems, which means that you can actually get monetized and earn money from the ad revenue as well. Anyhow, since you were creating videos for motivation, you'll want to use the filter option here in order to find the perfect types of songs. I highly recommend you to filter by genre and mood. You can, for example, select the mood to be inspirational, and this will now show you songs that you can potentially use in your videos. Play around with this a bit, guys, and use the filter option to find songs you think are the most motivational and in general best for your videos. When you find one, then all you gotta do is hover your mouse over one of them and click on download right here. If you're learning a lot on this video, smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Now, the number of songs for video you will want is generally between 7 and 10. This will allow you to create a video that's between 30 and 40 minutes long, which is perfectly in any case once you download both in photos and songs. That means you now have both the audio and the video. So the last thing you need is a video editing software. One of the best out there that you can also download and use for free is called OpenShot over at their website, openshot.org. You don't need like Sony Vegas or whatever in order to create those videos. I will actually show you using this just how simple and easy it is to do. And I have uploaded a few songs to use as an example, and also a photo just above them. And let me show you all that you literally need to do. You just want a video to match the audio, so you will need to drag this photo so until it's the same length as the audio, and that's literally it. This is precisely what you will want to do in OpenShot as well. And you've seen, this took me like 30 seconds to do. It's a really simple stuff and you don't need any video editing skills or whatsoever. In any case, now that you have your video, it's finally time for me to reveal the website that you can use in order to maximize your profits and earn money before you get monetized as well. That site is called Kitco. This site allows you to create shoppable collections of your favorite products grouped into kits, so your followers can buy the tools you can't live without. So this allows you to group various products together, which is a really awesome feature. If you're creating videos related to photography, for example, Kitco allows you to grab a single link where you have grouped all the various products related to photography that you can then leave in your description, and thousands of people will be able to see them. In our case, since we are creating videos related to workout, you can promote various gym products like barbells, for example, and the best part is you can add like 10 to 15 different products instead of just one, and this will allow you to earn far more money than otherwise would be the case. Anyways, you need an account here before you can promote anything. So you want to click on sign up in the upper right corner to create one first. And then from here, just click on this plus icon and then you will want to search and add various gym products as I have here. You will then need to click on Done, and then they will give you a link that will leave in the description on thousands upon thousands, if not millions of people will be able to see it. And just think about it. If you have a product that costs $50 and then 10 people buying, it means you've already made $500 just like that. So this has enormous potential, as you can see. And once you do get monetized, that will allow you to easily earn the thousands upon thousands of dollars passively. Alright, so that's it for this one. I hope you did get some value out of this video. And if you did, don't forget to drop a like, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new contents. As always, thanks for watching and see you all in some of the next videos.